my name is Devin. I am a nurse practitioner and a mom of two, and I have been sharing more of these videos recently as I go to work, so kind of like a drive to work educational sessions. So I am going to talk about just what I go over with parents and kids when they come in for general viral illnesses and just some misconceptions or things that parents often don't know about or will ask me about. So I think a lot of parents think that if you have a fever that it's due to something bacterial, and they'll bring their kid in right away for a fever, not giving it enough time to see if it's actually something bacterial and it's a virus. I guess the big takeaway is that viruses can cause fevers, and they can cause fevers, I will say, up to 3 to 5 days. Sometimes in older kids, I'll even give them up to 7 days. Granted, they're not showing other serious symptoms, like respiratory symptoms or other things going on that we would be concerned about, but just general viral cold symptoms. Typically, general viruses don't cause a fever that lasts that long from what I have seen in my experience, but the flu, I have seen that. So keeping that in mind. The second thing that I will often tell parents is that they'll come in because they still have a cough and they're going on like 10 days of a cough. Coughs for viruses can last up to 3 weeks. So if you have a child that is in daycare or they're just around other kids, whether they're in your family, if they catch one virus and then hop to the next virus, they could have a cough for months. As long as that cough isn't prolonged or having a fever with the cough that lasts longer than that general viral time frame, you can cough for a long time. Now, granted, there's other viruses and other bacterial things and other things out there that can cause a cough, and if you're having respiratory symptoms or distress with it, that's something different. But just in general, coughs can last, I say, up to 3 weeks, and runny nose and congestion up to 2. That's what I will tell parents. The third thing is that it is normal for kids to have up to 10 to 14 colds in one season, especially if it's their first year. So very normal. A lot of parents think that because they're getting sick back to back to back, it's not normal. It is normal. It is okay. Your body is just getting new germs, and germs are okay in the sense that your body needs to build an immunity. But that is all I have for today. If you're liking these videos, give me some ideas of things that you would like to see or you would like me to talk about, and I will try to cover them on my way to work chats. All right, thanks guys, bye.